If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case you want to open the settings on your Motorola. Then in here we're gonna scroll down and we need to find backup or copy data. In here we can choose copy data using Android switch, so go over here, tap on start in the bottom right corner, then we can choose Android device, or of course iPhone if your old phone is of course iPhone, and then we can scan this QR code in here. So on your old phone you need to open the QR code scanner and scan the QR code. There is also the copy another way button, which allows you to use another device to set up your phone faster apparently, and this allows you to copy your Google accounts and Wi-Fi passwords, and you can copy apps, photos and more. But in my case I'm just gonna scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you need to wait for both devices to connect to each other to establish a connection. Now over here we can copy apps and data, so we can tap on next. Let's just do that. There we go. Then on your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion you can decide what exactly you want to copy. In the case of apps, you can actually choose specific apps that you want to copy. In my case I don't need to transfer apps, I don't need to transfer messages and everything. I'm just gonna leave photos and videos on, and this is all I need to transfer. In your case you probably want to transfer everything, so you can just make sure that everything is checked over here. And once you're ready, just tap on copy in the bottom right corner and everything should be transferred pretty easily. And that is all in the case of Android to Android. Now as for the iPhone, if you want to transfer everything from your old iPhone to Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, in this case you want to, of course, once again choose copy data using Android switch. So just go to the same settings and just choose that option in here. Of course we want to tap on start again, but this time we want to choose iPhone or iPad. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Then over here we want to tap on the next in order to copy data, and we have the option to connect both devices by using a cable. But if you don't have a cable that fits both your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion as well as your iPhone, then you can choose cable doesn't fit, and then you can choose copy without cable. So it is possible to transfer data wirelessly. Now in order to do that, we just have to install the Android Switch app on our iPhone, and then we need to scan the QR code again. So if you don't have the Android Switch app yet, you want to open the App Store on your iPhone, and then in here we can just simply search for the Android Switch. There we go. You want to install the app and open it. Once you open it, you can choose copy data. You might see immediately a recommendation to join to the Wi-Fi network, but in this case I just want to cancel, and I'm just gonna try again, and then we can scan the QR code. Of course you might see that the Wi-Fi network is exactly the same, but in my case it didn't match, so you need to be careful with that. And then if you can scan the QR code, then of course you should be able to do so, and then confirm that you want to join. There we go. And now we just need to wait a couple of seconds, and then we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So in my case I'm just gonna transfer photos, and we can tap on continue on our iPhone, and now we are copying our data. Copying's done, so we should be able to tap on next in here. Here we have the instructions to turn off iMessage to keep getting text messages. So of course you can go to settings in order to do so, and then that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.